Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Actually, this is Wade's hands from Thoroughbred Diesel, and we're going to be showing you our new and exclusive pump puller tool for your 5.9 and 6.7 Cummins. Thoroughbred Diesel has entered the tool market, and of course we had to do something that was directly related to our VP44 sales. So we have here our Thoroughbred Diesel injection pump puller. This is for you 5.9 and 6.7 Cummins owners. Year range that this works for is a 1989 to 2019 Dodges with the 5.9 or 6.7 motors, as long as with 6.7 it's got the CP3 in it. The 2021s, we do not have a part number yet for the injection pump gear, so we don't know that this will work for it, but we can tell you for sure that this is 2019 to 1989. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the design for this. Now, other versions of pump pullers out there, we have noticed that they are much thinner. And what happens with that on the common rail trucks, the 03 and up trucks, you have some instances of if the operator actually tightens it down too much, it'll actually pull the gear into the cover, and it will deform the cover, then you can't get your injection pump cover back on. So what we did to combat that is we made this tool a little bit thicker than your standard tool that you see out there, and it being a little bit thicker gives you good clearance between the cover and the end of the injection pump drive shaft. You don't have to worry about making contact with it. This is 4140 steel. It is black oxide coated. This is a lifetime tool. This isn't a little piece of junk that will deform after its first use and you just throw it away. It's not that. This is a lifetime thing. Throw it in your toolbox, let your buddies borrow it. It's going to stay with you for a long time. We include metric 8 bolts with this. These are flange bolts as well. What we wanted to do with this was we slotted the holes on the pump puller gear. That's going to help you with your locating of it on the injection pump. Then we set you a little bit longer flange bolts. The flange bolts are going to make good surface-to-surface contact with the injection pump puller tool, so you don't have to worry about this deforming and the injection pump puller, the bolts coming through the puller itself and just screwing up the job and you not being able to get your pump off. This is going to work for you, I promise you. You really like this design. It makes removing your injection pump from your Cummins engine super simple. I know that this works on the 5.9 and the 6.7 ISB motors. Have not used it on anything else, but I can tell you for 100% certainty, 5.9 and 6.7 ISBs, this is going to work for you guys. So if you have a question about our pump puller tool or any of our other Thoroughbred Diesel products, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel, and we will also link you inside of this video to where you can purchase our injection pump puller tool.